Okay guys, welcome back to another Chill Trades video. Had a somewhat strange but a good day here. So without any further ado, let's get straight in the content. Welcome back to another Chill Trades video. Thank you for popping back in again today. As said in the beginning of the intro of this video, and I'm going to get on this video a little bit faster than the last two I've just recorded, and something's gone wrong. So first one was Canva rugged me and said the video was too big. So I'm going to break down our today's trading for you really simple. Right. Why did this happen? Good question. There's some things going on between the dollar and the yen. So the Dixie has been pumping, and now it's taken a dive, finally. That's why we're long on Bitcoin from the top here, right? So the dollar's been gaining strength, and the yen's been dropping because there is more talk about a second inflation raise, or a rate raise, sorry, in Japan. It's causing a little bit of distraught across the market. So let me break down today's trades for you really simple. What we've been doing today at Chill Trades. Currently in this long here, right? Okay, and I'm going to go over to you and set this up. I didn't trade the short here, and because there was no retest on any time frame, it was just a complete nuke. So I sit this here, come back and retest it, and roughly where we got long. So let me go on to a different chart and show you why the reason was to get long. So it's the chart I set up on. I had paths on a different one if we got above a key level, but we didn't. So let me just draw it out for you again. There we go. Which one haven't I used? I'm pretty sure I've drawn it out on all of them. Drawn it that many times. Right, so let me go out to the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to draw it here because this is before we got this move earlier on, right? So use our fixed range volume profile as per. Went from the low here all the way to where we were this morning. Perfect range. Fibonacci for our mean reversion trading. So it gives you your premium, your discount, and your extremes. So here is. Let me get rid of that one. I'll move it to the top. So I'll change colour twice. Right, it says your premium, your discount, change that to green. So before we got to here on the 1 hour time frame, there was the inefficiency that got wiped by this move. So we set this up earlier on, and we had this move and it come out, and this wick wiped out the inefficiency right there, as you can see. Perfect. Textbook. So at this point, I thought, you know what? That inefficiency's gone. Nothing down lower in the immediate foreseeable future, right? So there's a lot of dispute in the group chat. I just had to break it down to them in the video as well as to why we took the trade, or why I took the trade. So we come down to here and we had the bounce, pulled up, retested the low, and then we got long here. So we pulled out a long position there. Our take profit aim is, I just want to go to the 75% there. Our stop loss is at the swing low. So it's been tight, but we set it up and it's been a winner, right? So far we're still in this trade now, still going on, we're still there. People are a bit like, well, I wish I took it now. But it was it could have gone either way. I mean, a move like this, not very often they just stop and just go back up the other way. You know, I sat there, I was trying to do some work on the car, I kept looking at my phone, I was like, blowing on the screen trying to make price go up at the same time. But so far, touch wood has worked out. So we took a little bit of profit here, moved our stop loss up just slightly, and that's that. So now we've got liquidations, we've got longs, shorts, and longs building up. More longs than shorts, actually, funnily enough. So that's why I'm going to cover this trade up so much, is to just because there's more down below. You know, there's more reason to go down lower. Down lower to get rid of the longs, like me, than there is to go up. And also, we've seen earlier on when price was coming down and open interest was going up, obviously we had a divergence here. So that was one of the reasons to get long. Because obviously price is going down, open interest going up, shorts are piling up on leverage. So at some point we have to bounce and go back up. Top of this, rounded top, rounded bottom, good place to get long, right? So it's worked out okay. So what else have we done today? We have traded. Right, I'll do this right now. Okay, let's go down to the bottom here. First, FLM. Inefficiency. We only went to inefficiency number 1. Set up on the 15-minute time frame. Pulled up, rounded top, abandoned wick, pulled back, never retested. But did on the 5-minute time frame. So we come back up. We got short here. Short it down just to wipe at this one inefficiency. Happy days. Perfect trade. Textbook. And then we done ENS. Come up. We got acceptance above 50% of the cluster. Got short here. Broke out. Retested. We had to ride it up a little bit. Bounce on the 50% zone. Come back down. Then we had a nice burn all the way down. In this market, I was only aiming for the one inefficiencies. I wasn't expecting this move down across the whole market. So we were expecting just to scalp trade it. We took our profits and we ran for the hills. That's another one we done. And let me go into Discord and see what else we've actually ran back today. So we done FLM. Sui, this wasn't my trade. This is one the team set up on their own. Jason, shout out to him in the channel. He called a Bitcoin short early this morning. This is at about 8 o'clock UK time. Rune Long as well he called. That was a good trade. Has his own there. Then this is the ENS short, the one I just showed you. 29%. This is the take profit on the FLM short. BTC short, ordinal short was his 2 he called there. Ordinal short was Jason's. Bond was another one we done. Just a 200 EMA play. Bond. We're in MEXC. So here we are here. If we put on the trader's reality thing there, it's going to give you the 200 EMA, which is down here, the white one. That was our take profit zone. Literally, as you can see, a wick down to that. I actually missed this trade, funnily enough. So yeah, we had Bond, ENS. That was the Bond one now. Bond, yeah, and then it kept going afterwards. This is the long that we're in now. So far, we've had a 100% win rate day, again, as well as yesterday. Even though the market's been absolutely awful to trade. You've literally got to be in and out as fast as you can. So we're actually crushing it. And what I'm saying to him now is, because there's so much, obviously we're in this BTC long, and the 15-minute bands have just gone green, and it's just making higher highs and higher lows. So there's no threat for me currently at the minute. Obviously, whatever Asia are going to do to us, they're going to do to us regardless. So before I go to bed, I'm not going to close a trade, but I'll probably put my stop loss as a trailing stop, start a break even, and as price goes up, and then the stop loss goes with it. And if I get stopped that, I get stopped out. But I'll be taking some more profits before I go to bed for sure. Because these trades these days, you've got to really cover yourself up. Because this price action here, unless you've got the mindset for it, is enough to kill you. Enough to get you chopped up really badly. So we've done very, very well today. And as said, as well as looking at like USDT dominance and stuff like this, always keep an eye on a Dixie. Because this was, as it popped up and started dumping down, Bitcoin started gaining traction. Risk on assets are better when the dollar is going weak. When the dollar's going down, price of Bitcoin stuff is going up, as a rule of thumb. Risk on assets. People, when the dollar's getting weak, they want to change the next best thing. Bitcoin. All your stocks and stuff like that. They want to be investing in something that's going to hold better. So always keep an eye on the Dixie. That being said, I'm actually going to cut this video here. I mean, I've done it so many times today, and this is the one, Reef. This is the one that keeps getting away. And we've missed it. We were saying that better crashes when we go to sleep. But through all of this blood we had earlier on, the fast moves down on Bitcoin and stuff, this thing has just stayed unbelievably strong. So, someone's going to get it. But on that, I'll leave it with you. I'll get on the next one. If it didn't take me 17,000 videos to record this properly, I would have gone into more detail, but I'm absolutely knackered. I've had a long day. Trying to update the Discord group and get the trades and stuff in there and the setups in there and tell them when I'm entering. And Jason's amazing in there. Shout out to him and the rest of the team. Neil, and all the rest of them that are in there. Arfine and stuff like that. Very, very good. Good team you got going. And yeah, so shout out to them. Keep each other going when times are hard. So that's it. Catch you in the next one. Good night.